it's uni holidays and I wanted to get out of Sydney. So me and my mate Gus decided we head up to one of the most beautiful places in the world. Our trip began with a light rail ride to Central Station.
That's cool. You know the videos of the black people where it's like everyone's like, and then the other guy's just like,
I'm with the gang, I'm with the...
Not doing that shit.
Oh yeah, it's me. Oh yeah. Then we hopped on a train to Hornsby, and then a train to Newcastle.
stop filming me.
No. Once we're in Newey, we picked up a car and started gearing off for the drive.
We just packed the car. Probably going to be at our destination around, I'm guessing 11 or midnight. So got to do some grocery shopping. So it's going to be a late one. We might just sleep in the car.
Good piss?
Yes.
Now the drive to Elands is pretty much a straight shot up the A1, but we did have to take a dirt road up the mountain, which was pretty sketchy.
There's some killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad.
When we pulled up, we decided it was way too late to set up a tent, so we just flicked on a movie and slept in the car. We woke up the next morning to a beautiful but cold day and decided we'd head off on a 3-hour drive at Waterfalls for a swim. Before we left, my uncle told us we might have to pack a chainsaw because of the wind. So we threw a chainsaw and a chain in the back of the car and headed off.
This is where we fang it and we crash and then it'll be on Instagram Reels in 5 years.
I'd prefer to have a video of it than not.
No, don't do it though.
Root it?
Oh. What am I doing, bro?
Now the jump off the top's about 7 meters tall, which isn't too bad, but you do have to clear about 3 meters of rock and not overshoot it and hit the other side. So it took us a fair bit of time to psych ourselves up.
Wait, are you vlogging? Yeah, I'm vlogging this.
Now I'll do it.
Good, do it for the vlog, bro.
Oh, this stuff gets Instagram.
Do it for the viewers, bro. Do it for the viewers. Jump!
Oh my god, that's like only a minute.
There, free fall. You made it.
After our swim, we trekked back. Little did we know the chainsaw from earlier was going to come in pretty handy. A big old gum tree had fallen on the only road out of Potoroo, and with dense eucalyptus forest on one side and a cliff on the other, we kind of had no option but to saw through it. We got through one side and then halfway through the other, and then disaster, the battery died. We figured our only real option was to drag the halves as far apart as possible so that we could drive through.
It's the whole thing's moving. Or delete the footage. It's working, Archie. Let's look at the bull bar. Ah, not at all. Don't do too fast. Just keep doing slow ones.
You did it. Look at that.
Not yet, let's see.
Hey, hold on.
Chainsaw that.
Wait, don't forget about this part too.
We got a solid halfway through this bit, and then the chainsaw ran a battery. Tried to pull the whole tree, no dice. Anyway, let's go. POV. Oh, I'm not making it through.
Keep going. Yeah, nice.
And just like that, we were on our way back. Next item on the itinerary, we had a party. Unfortunately, all the footage I really have from that is me warming up for my set.
Alright. Vlog-wise, we got nothing. Lit party. Pretty good.
It was a great party.
Archie's sets became better when the white music came out.
Yeah, people like that.
They love the white music. That's our mold bread. Would you make sure to pack the board?
After sleeping in the car again, we made our way to Waterfalls for a hike and potentially a swim.
Alright. Update. Lost phone charge for a while. Had a pretty hectic party last night. We're at the falls now. Sitting at the edge. We go for a swim, then head home. What? Opinions on Elands, Gus?
I love Elands.
Good, eh?
It's very good.
Look at that water, bro. Anyway, we'll go for this walk. Way too cold, way too windy to swim. We got down to about, what we got to there, behind that rock, because we can barely breathe. There's that much spray coming off it. And we're just like, fuck it, let's turn back. So I think we're gonna go for a swim right up top. Wow. This spot looks so nice. Just waiting for Gus to catch up. I'm gonna go for a swim. Alright, I'm looking for an entrance point into the water. Goal is get in, quick swim, and get the f out. Everything's looking loggy. Not a fan of that.
You can step further down. There's a big log. You'll feel it. See?
Oh, where'd you get out?
Yeah. 10, 9, 8. There we go. Oh, bro.
Vlog time. It's so cold. We're done. Last Elands activity. You know, car and KFC.
So it was time to make our way back to Sydney the exact same way we came.
Alright, vlog.
Yeah, I gotta name my name like OB-E's. So then they'd be like, order for OBs. What the hell?
Yeah, yep. Return journey. We're nearly back home. Just got off the train at Central Station. It's quiet. It's late. I'm ready for bedtime. We're nearly back home. Just hopped off the light rail. I'm walking back now. It's been a long trip home. Probably, well, we would have left around 4 or 5 o'clock. Then we're getting home at a little bit past 1, which is awesome sauce. Alright. Bye bye.